How to give access to Google Drive link. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give access to a Google Drive link and how to make it accessible to everyone. Whether you're sharing documents, photos, or any other file, this tutorial will make it super easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone, or you can visit drive.google.com on your computer. Next, find the file or folder you want to share. If it's a new file, make sure it's uploaded to your Google Drive. Now, once you've located the file or folder, simply tap on the three dots right next to it and simply tap on Share. If you're on computer, simply right-click on it and simply click on Share. Once you've tapped on that, you will see an option to simply add people or groups. You can simply add the mail or Gmail of the number or of the person that you want to add. Now, if you don't know their Gmail, you can simply copy the link of the file and send it to them by simply tapping on the three dots and clicking on copy link, and you can simply paste the link with anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to give access to a Google Drive link and how to share it with everyone.